Alright, what's up guys? Glitch Detectives here at CS5 Recruit, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Twixtor and Adobe After Effects CS5. Now, let's just clear up some things. Twixtor is a effect in Adobe After Effects which lets you slow down programs and slow down anything really. And I'm going to be showing you guys the best settings for render settings, I guess you could say, for the Twixtor. So let's just start from the beginning. It's all blank, everything. You want to make a new composition, new composition. We should probably make it around 45. And I'm using a 59.94 frame rate. You can find what the frame rate is in a second. I will show you. And then you can also even change these later without making a new comp. So background color black, doesn't really matter, but I'd use a 1920 by 1080. And yep, let's get started. Let's just zoom in a little. So right about there. Okay. So what I'm gonna go is I'm gonna import a file that I'm going to use, which let me see. Shoxy. I don't care. It's just a cool little trick shot. So let's pop this up. And here's all the details. So mine is 59.94 FPS. H.26. So you want to render it as whatever it says right here, and I will show you how to change it when you're rendering it. So 59.94 FPS. Just to clarify, if I drag this in here and go to comp settings, 59.95 frames per second, which is what FPS stands for. Now, if you need to enlarge this, so I need to enlarge this. Should be good. Alright, now we are going to go to the part where you want to Twixtor, which for me would probably be, let's see. Let's just put that down. I'm probably going to start Twixtoring about right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into effects and presets. You want to type in Twixtor, and this is how you spell it because you guys don't know. So drag Twixtor into basically your video. Now it's going to be really ugly and warpy. You want to change the frame rate to 59.94. Now this frame rate right now should be the same as your comp settings, and 2, your video. If it's missing one of those, it will come out warpy. I repeat, if you're missing one of those, it will come out warpy. So just change that, and you want to go to, well, actually that's it. Now you want to go turn this on, enable frame blending for all layers with the frame blend switch set, and we are going to switch that on with going to frame blending, pixel motion, and yep, that's it. Now how you want to put, you want to go 3 frames back, so I want 1, 2, and 3. Put a frame down right there. If you just click that stopwatch right under output control on speed, and if you want to see your keyframe, highlight your clip, not your Twixtor, highlight your clip, and press U. Okay, so once you do that, go to the part, well, hold on. My bad, guys. You actually want to go 1, or see, as you can see, it's lit up. So once you keyframe it, you're going to go 1, 2, 3 frames ahead again, and put this down to, let's see, I think I'll go down to a 10. 10 seems good. Okay, and then you just keep going. And then right about when you want to stop it, which will probably be right about when he's about to take the gun out, I'm going to keyframe this, click that little keyframe, go 1, 2, 3 frames ahead, change this back to 100. Now it's going to look warpy because the render settings aren't set yet, and we are going to change that, so just click enter. And now it kind of speeds it up a little. And there, that's the end of the Twixtor. I'm actually going to cut my clip because it also shows the final kill cam, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna quickly cut this down a little bit. Okay. Alright, that's good. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. So now what you want to do is you want to highlight your clip, go to composition, add to render queue, name it, you want to do output 2, name it whatever you want, and put it wherever you want to. And the file format has to be QuickTime, but these are the render settings. So let's just, I'm not gonna render this, but what you want to do is you want to go to output module, you want to go to format options, video codec. Right here is where you want to change whatever your video is. So mine was H.264, and you can just go to the beginning of the video to check where what your video codec is. And so put the quality all the way up and click OK and OK. And make sure all this, the reason why I put my clip as 920 by 1080 is because that is a 1080 definition. A 1280 by 720 is a 720 definition. So I want to go to full definition and just click OK. Now make sure your res is on full or half. Full or half is good. This is, well, right there. This is full, this is half, and this is full. Now full is like 10 times better, so if you really want to, but it'll take a while longer to render. But I just render it by half because I think half is good. So let's go to the render queue. And you want to do this before you put this to the render queue, or else if you try changing it, you're gonna have to make a new render queue. So basically that is it. Now you just have to click render, and it should come out as your clip. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out, and I hope this really helped you guys out.